Hello! So it's been a year now, I'm embarrassed to say, since we've actually used the Chevelle, because it's been having some issues. It's making a lot of noise somewhere in this back end of the car. So it's actually making the car shift around a little bit. It's really strange. So now we're trying to troubleshoot it. I pulled off the hubcaps because it has this really strange noise. So come around to this side and I'll show you. If you listen real closely, when I rotate this tire, it sounds like a stone would be dropping, and I actually pulled off one of the dog dish hubcaps because I thought maybe there was a rock inside there. But listen, hear that? It sounds like a BB. Like a BB dropping every time you rotate it. So I guess the next thing we're going to do is pull off one of these wheels, and then I'll pull off one of the drums to make sure there's nothing weird going on in there. Alright, now we'll try pulling this drum off, see if anything falls out, because this is really weird. Ooh, what's going on here? What's going on here? Something rubber came out. So we'll have to track down what this is. I kind of think maybe we're dealing with an axle seal issue here, but we'll have to figure this out. I'm going to put it back in neutral and rotate this again so I can try to hear, do I still hear that sound, that weird dropping? Because there's nothing inside the drum that looks out of place. So we'll keep digging deeper. So we found this little piece here that I think is part of the axle seal, but look at this. We found our problem. If I grab the axle right here, can you see that? And I shake it, look at that. That bearing is bad. Now, this is a BOP 10 bolt, and they're notorious for having axle bearing issues. And you know what? These are the original bearings in this thing. And like an idiot, I've never changed these. I've changed the gearing in this. It's got the original posi from 1970. It's from a GTO. The axle bearings I never changed because they were in good shape. Now, to put this all into perspective, this rear was in this car when I had the 307 in it. So we're talking about well over 200,000 miles that I've put on this particular set of axle bearings, and then however long this rear was in the GTO before I acquired it. So no wonder. It's partially my fault, but I don't think we're going to change this. I think we're going to end up wrapping up that 12 bolt that I've been building and procrastinating on for years, and that's going to end up finding its way in here. But again, just look at this thing. That's not supposed to do that. Alright, now that we know what the problem is, there's only one thing to do. Put the tire back on it with the wheel and put it back in the garage for another year or two. Just kidding, I'm going to try my best to redo that 12 bolt and get it back in here. But first, we've got some other projects here that I'm going to end up showing you in the next couple weeks, because there's been a lot going on here I just haven't done any videos on. So more to come on all that, and more to come on this Chevelle in the very near future. Thank you for watching.